Hi guys, we're gonna go camping. This time sa malayo naman, try namin sa Sagada. Time check, it's 8:48 PM. Sabi 9 hours daw ang biyahe. Hopefully makarating kami dun ng 9 hours. Good luck. See you guys later. First driver, si Sam. 63 hours kami.
Hi guys!
Hello! First stopover dito sa Shell.
Saan?
Balagtas? Balagtas.
Okay. Ano oras na?
Time check. It's 10:25 PM.
Okay.
See you guys later.
So we are here at Shell Balagtas. Yeah. We're eating. We're having our break. I'm having a large fries from Jollibee and cheeseburger from Jollibee also. And yung JS kakatapos ang mag-dinner. Papa has cheeseburger from Jollibee also. And she has tuna pie from Jollibee also. And Mama B-cup. And coffee. 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 And also having a coffee right here. Ano nga to? Spanish. Ay, French vanilla latte pala. From Shell Cafe. Super sarap. Okay, bye.
Bulacan.
Okay. So, nasa na tayo ma?
I don't know.
Sa T-Plex.
T-Plex pala.
T-Plex
We're
Petron.
now in T-Plex. Nag-ano ulit kami, stopover.
Nagpalit na siya ng driver. Ano na, 12:57 AM. And si Yung Jay, nangaagaw ng pwesto.
I'll try to get some sleep.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, so update. 12:30. 662 OMG.
Ano to? Auto sweep?
Ay, hindi ko lang sure. Hindi ko napansin. Okay.
I-ano mo?
Wait lang. So guys, nasa na tayo ma?
Cannon Road!
Nasa Cannon Road na kami. Magto 2 AM na. Yun lang. Bye.
We're having our breakfast. Stopover muna. Mountain View Cafe, Bangko.
Look at the view. Nice.
Hello! Nandito na kami sa House of Sol. Dito na kami magtatayo ng tent. Ano si Bunso? Ang lamig dito guys. Grabe.
Ay, thank you Lord. Ginagawa mo.
Hi guys, kain na po tayo.
Kain, hindi.
Ayaw mo na, Chloe? O, matulog ka na.
Guys, biglang tumakbo si yung J. Yung pala, meron siyang nakitang dog. Grabing takbo niya. Hinabol siya ni Sam. Grabe. Ang bilis niya tumakbo. Hinabol niya. Breakfast na. CR na.
Phone ka daw.
Ano?
Hi guys. So right now, ano oras na? It's already 10:30 a.m. 10:38 a.m. and we're going to Sagada City Hall. And we're currently walking because walang dumadaan na trike. My gosh. And it's so tagal and we're hungry now. We're going to have a lunch there. Yeah. Ayun sila. Nauna na. And kami nandito. Okay. See you later. Bye.
Saan po pwede? Dito lang tatlo?
Ilan lang. Ilan lang.
Hi, Anda. Hey guys, so dito na kami sa Gaia Cafe.
Ah, yan yung Gaia.
Gaia Cafe.
Sabay na yan siya.
We're eating now. Pesto, salad, and sandwich. Pesto, sandwich. What's yours?
Omelette.
Omelette with bread. And then banana shake.
Banana shake.
Cappuccino. Si yung Jay, tapos na kumain kanina. Matutulog na siya. Look at the view, guys. So good. Pauwi na kami, guys. Ba yan? Sana may tricycle na makuha.
Here's our dinner.
Early dinner.
Kaunta! Kaunta! Kay magala ta dayon. No? Kaunta gani, kay magala dayon. Temprano kaon.